A slide deployment can be initiated whenever the door is opened in the emergency configuration. When the slide is armed, it can be checked on a red indicator located on the button of the slide decorative cover. As soon as the door handle is lifted, the door opens and the escape slide is ejected from its container and the inflation system is activated. The deployment and inflation sequence is automatically initiated when the cabin door is opened. The slide deploys into its final usable position within 3 seconds. The escape slide is connected to the cabin floor by a girt extension which is attached to the girt bar at the door sill. Should the escape slide not inflate automatically, a red manual inflation handle must be pulled. This handle is located on the girt extension. Let's have a look at the inflation system. The system is automatically activated as soon as the slide is ejected from its container. The valve regulator assembly incorporates a direct reading temperature-compensated pressure gauge which indicates the gas charge in the inflation reservoir relative to ambient temperature. The gas stored within the inflation reservoir is discharged into the inflatable through flexible hoses and an aspirator. Ambient air is drawn in through the flaps of the aspirator by the partial vacuum created by the high velocity in the venturi. Then the flaps close and the remaining gas charge tops the inflatable up to its operating pressure. Inflation is therefore rapid and reservoir size is maintained. Restraint devices are used to control the deployment sequence. The primary restraint mechanism is a precision fuse frangible link which separates at a predetermined force value. In case of pressure loss, no-fail handles located on both sides of the runway end allow the inflatable to be used as a handheld evacuation chute. In the event of a ditching, grasp lines are fitted around the outside of the inflatable to facilitate the use of the slide as a flotation device. The slide is equipped with a lighting system. The lights located along the slide tubes and across the runway are supplied from the aircraft emergency power supply units. The lights are automatically supplied with power when the slide is deployed. The escape slide can be disconnected from the aircraft floor whenever necessary. For disconnection, the following steps must be taken. Lift the flap of the girt extension to gain access to the white disconnect handle and pull the handle. The girt extension incorporates a quick release feature, a daisy chain, which permits rapid detachment of the inflatable from the aircraft. Once detached from the floor, the inflatable drops from the aircraft but remains attached to the girt bar by means of a string, which must be cut by using the knife located next to it on the girt extension. The inflatable is then completely disconnected from the aircraft.